morning.
Good morning.
We're leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when we'll be. So we are at the airport. Well, we're on the way to the airport. We're saying goodbye to family, and we're off on a new adventure.
Yep.
New Zealand's been awesome.
It has.
Yeah, very much enjoyed it. And on to the next place, wherever that may be. Have you guessed yet? Damn sport. Get out, sport. And I'll be called Sheila for the rest of them, and Kevin will be called Mate.
Yeah.
So yeah. So we will see you there, no doubt. Take care, guys.
See ya.
Bye. So we're here. I'm just waiting for Kevin because he's dropping off the hire car. So have a good look and have a decide where we're going, because we have a choice: Bali, Brisbane, the Gold Coast, Sydney, Singapore, Lahonga, Kuala Lumpur, Perth, Port Vila, Melbourne, Brisbane. Where are we going? Where are we going to end up? This is the question. Well, how many flights have we been on in the past however long? So before we reach our final destination, we have nine more flights before we possibly go home. 9 more flights! Can you imagine? So where do you think we're going? Exciting! So let's just start talking. So
Over there.
are we going over there?
Gate 4.
Gate 4. Gate 4. We're off to Melbourne, Australia for 6 months. Woohoo! The excitement is real. There's a time difference, so it's a 4-hour flight, but we'll get there and we're going to lose 2 hours. Time travel! It's all about the time travel. Anyway, we'll see you soon. The weather looks pretty tense, but hey ho, it's life. At least we didn't all drown it, because like there was a weather alert yesterday, so we all got text messages for the flooding, but we got here okay, which is all good. Anyway, see you on the other side.
See ya.
So from Auckland to Melbourne, it's just a straight line, and we got a tailwind. It takes about 4 hours. We've done it in about 3.5.
Yeah.
Winner chicken dinner. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Australia. And you see the bird feeder. They're crimson rosellas, and the more greeny looking ones are the babies. So they start off green and just gradually turn red and blue. So we're looking after my cousin's property for a few weeks while they've gone back to the UK, the first time in 29 years. You have to excuse me, I've not long got up. And just along the driveway, the very first day we was here, I went out with my cousin-in-law, and she said, oh, look over there, there's some roos. And I'm like, kangaroos, kangaroos. And there they were, just there. And they like can come into the garden and all sorts. They've got quite a big property, and there's a trail that the kangaroos use along the way. And yeah, they get kangaroos and they're seriously stoked. So happy. As you can see, it's rained. And it's a bit like New Zealand when it rains. It kind of like does it on steroids, so to speak. But it's what makes the land green, isn't it? So where we are in Melbourne, this is probably the chilliest bit of Melbourne. And people say they're from Melbourne. You could be 3 hours away from one another, and you'll still be in Melbourne, which is quite cool. Victoria's quite a big state as well. And yeah, it gets quite cold here in the winter. It's known to have snow and that. So everyone thinks, oh, Australia's going to be hot. Not all of it's like it. Which we knew what it was going to be like, because I've been keeping an eye on the weather for about a year now. Well, definitely, yeah, almost a year, knowing that we was coming here. And I couldn't believe how cold it got. So we've got some of our winter stuff: hats, scarves, gloves, warm winter coats. Yes, the first few days we was here, it's been glorious sunshine. And not bad temperatures. I think it got up to 22 either yesterday or the day before. So yeah, I'll introduce you to the dogs later. We're looking after 4 dogs. And I have to say, so far, so good. They are so friendly here, and the customer service is so much different from in New Zealand. Just saying. Not saying I prefer it at the moment, I'm not saying that at all, but they're so different from one another. And a lot cheaper. I said they were noisy. Anyway, see you soon. Calm down.
Go on.
Look at Alice go.
So this is part of the deal. While we look after this place for the owners, we take their dogs for a walk.
Hello. This is Lady.
This is Lady May.
She's the yapper. She'll bark at anything. The one that's barking, the young one, is Dougal. The big one is Alice, Gentle Jane. Hello. Hello. Then I've got treats in my pocket, so. Hello, good girl. All right. Hello. Oh, all right then. All right then. Just gently.
And here come the other two.
Sit gently. Dougal, come. This is Dougal. Dougal, come sit. Sit gently.
Missed it.
No. Dougal. Have I given you one? Sit. Lady.
No, it's only Dougal, because Dougal missed out.
I brought it. So just, Lady. Come here. Sit. It's a bit chaotic at the moment. They're getting used to us. So, this is one of their trails. The kangaroos come down here too, and they've got like 3 ponds. They call them
Dams.
Because I think they flow into one another, and 2 of them you can swim in when the weather's good. But you can see by my hat, my tea cozy, it's a bit nippy. So I was just keeping an eye on Alice. So I've still got Dougal's. And on the whole, they're pretty obedient, ain't they, Kev?
Yep.
So we're coming down to one of the dams now, and Kevin has set a trail cam, and hopefully we've picked something up other than the dogs.
Yeah, we set it out a couple of days ago. And we checked it yesterday, and there wasn't anything on it other than what it might have been a fox, or it's more likely to have been the dogs. They can't run free out here. This is part of the whole place that we've got. 20 acres. It's pretty cool. Scrub and all that. You see kangaroos wandering through here. So hopefully we're going to go and pick up the camera today, regardless, because if it hasn't picked anything up in 48 hours, it's unlikely to have picked up anything in the next 48 hours, if you like, and we'll find another tree to put it on. Here's the trail cam. Stuck it on the tree here, and as I say, it's been here for 48 hours, so let's just switch it off. Actually, should we see what's on it? See if there's anything on it. Let's have a look. Oh, actually, I don't know. Let's have a look. What we got? 126. So, nah. Had 108 on it yesterday, so what with us leaving it and then going away again, I don't think we've got anything, but we'll find out. If we have got anything, we'll drop it in.
Oh,
but yeah, we'll put it somewhere else.
So Dougal, oh, there's Lady as well. Dougal and Alice are the only ones that appear want to stay with us. Sunshine and Lady just off they go. It's a beautiful piece of land. I love all this, the trees, the gum trees and what have you. My cousin and his wife are a bit like us, where they like to keep things natural. This is very similar to how I would love to have a piece of land. But it is lovely. It's really nice There's no snakes at the moment because it's too cold. I've seen one spider, 2 spiders, one with a big body that just run away from the shoes outside, and like a daddy long legs type thing inside. I'm trying to get rid of the feather duster, so I gave Kevin the job, and he let it drop on the floor.
What did I let drop on the floor?
What did you let it drop? Oh, the bloody spider last night.
Oh, yeah.
The tarantula. No, it's one of those like really slim daddy long leg things. But I was thinking, oh, I don't know. There she is, Lady Girlies. Lady Girlies. This one, she's such a gentle giant. You shouldn't have favourites, but she's my favourite. And there's Sunshine. Good girls, Sunshine. Good girls. Good girls. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So Dougal, that obviously looks very much like his mum, and Lady is hers as well. They're from the same litter. Looks like the dad. And Alice is half Ridgeback, half Great Dane, or she has Ridgeback and Great Dane in her.
With regard to Lady, we're not too sure how that might have happened. If Lady looks like her dad.
Why?
Well, you seen the size of Lady?
Oh yeah. Listen, them chihuahuas, that's all I can say. You know, if a dog wants to get its end away, he'll get its end away. So, yeah, but maybe the dad, she might look like a dad, but...
Well, he might have had long legs.
He might have had long legs, yeah. But she's a character. They all are. Yeah, Sunshine's very gentle. I was a bit wary of Dougal at first, but he's become quite submissive and like lets me rub his belly and stuff. And yeah, I think he's missing mum and dad a little bit because he takes his time eating his food at the moment, where he would like straight at it. But his chicken, he loves his chicken. But today we've had quite a bit of rain. And now look at the sky. Oh, some parakeets. Or no, crimson rosellas. Let's get it right. It's so beautiful. So much wildlife here. It's really, really lovely. Got to admit, we're falling a little bit in love with the place, haven't we, Kev?
Oh yeah, yeah, definitely. Yeah. But seems we need to win the lottery to get anywhere close to getting a place like this.
Yeah. Or subscribers.
Well, yeah, I suppose if we could get into 6-figure subscribers, then yeah, we might be able to make enough money to get a place like this. But
yeah. But we're happy travelling at the moment, just finding our way, finding our place in life. So gum trees make good wood, firewood. Obviously you've got to let it dry out first. So we've spoken to you about New Zealand, about the opportunities of coming over. There's lots of opportunities in New Zealand, sorry, Australia too. We will look into them for the vlog to find out, but I think we're too old for that sort of thing.
And we've seen a few buses,
Yeah.
and they're not crying out for staff, so that's a little...
Not going out there, Dougal.
No. Come on, you're not.
Where's your mother? Oh, no, that's Lady. I wasn't filming, but a kangaroo just run down that way. I think the dog's got the scent of it. Leave it, Dougal. Come on. Come on.
Because it was half travelling, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. Very fast. That's maybe what the dogs have been barking at today.
Yeah.
There you are, Lady. Good girl. Come here. Lady. Come here. Gently. Good girl. You can have yours, Alice. Gently. It's got a bit of an overbite, Alice. So they have the run of all this land except for the bit where the dams are. They can't get to them. Now I'm 90% sure of that. It's just that because we go on different ways and walk different ways, it's just hard to get. Have we seen everything? I think we've seen everything, but yeah, I don't think they can get to the dams. But they have the run of all of this, which is good. So they are working dogs, outside dogs. They've got a beautiful big barn, lovely soft bedding and what have you. Water on tap, and they get fed raw food, and they're really healthy, absolutely lovely dogs. I'm a bit broody for a pup. If you've been watching our vlogs, you'll know that when we was in Turkey, we come across a couple of puppies and we took them to the pound, a non-kill pound. Yeah, and since then I've been a little bit broody, so they are. Right, I need sunshine now because we need to get through the other gate to get up to the house. This is what we say about water on tap. So have a nice fountain that gets put on for a little while each day, so it's nice and fresh. Good girl. My home. Shushi, hey, hey. Sit, sit. Good boy. Good boy. He's a lovely dog. He's excited. I think he thinks it's food time, but it's too early. They get fed at 6:30. Sweet girl. No, just chilling now. And that's it then until we see them at dinner time. Because now it's time to go in for a nice cup of coffee. Have you got wet? Have you got wet? How have you got wet? How have you got wet, girlie? Oh. Anyway, we will see you in a bit.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.